All right, everyone. This is a review of a 12-volt 3/8 lithium-ion ratchet wrench. It's a power torque, which you get from O'Reilly's. I bought me a cheap set of sockets at Harbor Freight to just keep in here, so I don't have to run back to the truck every time. Usually this is metric and everything I need is in here, and I do keep this adapter in here as well as this one, because I do got a big set I do take with me when this fails. But I don't know how charged this is. It's been sitting in my truck. It does have a rapid charger though. You just plug it in right here with this cord, and you got a red and a green. Red while it's charging, green when it's full. But this thing is not strong. It's like 20-something, 22 foot-pounds, if that. And it'd be lucky if it's every bit of 22 foot-pounds. But it does help. I mean, you can break it loose and then just... the head of it is not humongous like most. It's just beefy right here, which is all the way down. So, with that being said, it is roughly 10 inches from end to end. That's not terrible. Geez, I really don't have nothing to tear apart with this thing in here. But like I said, it's not strong. If you're trying to break, now maybe, like if you're working on like a car with a plastic timing cover, the 10mm bolt, yeah, it'll probably break every one of them. Just hit it like this. But if it's something serious, like maybe holding an idler pulley on or something, you're not going to do it with this. You might as well break it loose, and then you can run it out with this. But as far as, no, you're not going to take it off. But anyway, this thing has been okay. I mean, it has never broke down on me. I've used it somewhat a good bit. I mean, it's muddy, but I haven't used it a lot. It's pretty good for clamps. You know, you're not going to over tighten for this week. It's pretty good for clamps and anything that you're scared you're going to over tighten. This is the man for you, because it ain't going to over tighten it. I wish I had something I could tear loose, but I don't at the moment. Let's see. Oh, no, I don't have nothing. Huh. All right, well, let's see. Let's see what we can rig up right here. Come on, stupid thing. let's see what size this is. And then this is roughly around a 13. So we'll take this 13 and we'll torque it to 22 foot-pounds. This is a cheap old ratchet from Harbor Freight. Okay, that is 20 and 2. So we're going to snug her up right there. I'm going to run it down with this. Hit this socket's deep enough. Watch that be the next problem. Okay. What's this stupid thing keep dropping down all of a sudden? Alright. $22 foot-pounds. It's 22. See? But you can break it and then hang away. So we'll back her down to 18. Let's try that. Where's 18? All right. I did 18. All right, well, we're gonna hit 20. Let's see if we can get 20 out of it, because we could not get 22. Wrong way. Just for the sake of wrong way, I'm going to try it. But I don't think I had it set for the wrong way earlier. Alright. Bump that off. and take it up to 22 foot-pounds. Well, there wasn't much difference between 18 and 22 apparently. So that's that off. Well, I did it. I'm gonna give it one more shot just to make sure. All right. It did the 22, so. My daughter's hollering for me. Well, we're gonna give it a whirl at 25, and then I know it ain't gonna do it, so we're gonna just give it a twirl and see. And this will probably be the last one. Alright. Oh, it did 25. Oh, that surprises me. Well, anyway, y'all, that's my review on the Power Torque cordless ratchet. I mean, I know it did 25 foot-pounds. Like I said, it's overall, it's a good ratchet. Run them down. Run them down. Run them up and run them down. Well, anyway, it's pretty cheap at O'Reilly. It was like 59, or I want to say it was 59 with one battery, the charger, the case. So I've had this thing for about, this March will be a year, and I've used it pretty regular. I mean, it's, now that I got this 12 volt impact, it'll hardly ever get used. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. I'm just gonna try to get more videos out. I haven't posted in years. Well, anyway, y'all, let me know what y'all want to see. I got a ton of tools. I got the bandsaw from Harbor Freight. It's been pretty good. I've cut a good bit of stuff with it. And you know, they say the blade that comes with it is no good, and that's the original blade that came with it, and I done cut a ton of metal with it, and it ain't lost hardly no teeth. Well, anyway, y'all have a good one. Take care. Stay blessed. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I thank y'all for watching.